You like that one?
I really like it.
You really like that one?
Love it. There. What's a May, June, July, August.
Okay, keep going. Keep going.
Heidi's birthday.
Oh, Aunt Heidi's birthday. What month is that?
September,
Uh-huh.
October, November, December.
Is that your favorite month?
No, it's February.
Oh, February's your favorite? Why is February your favorite?
Because it's Valentine's Day.
Are you excited for Valentine's Day? What are you going to do on Valentine's Day?
I'm gonna make my Valentine's Day.
You're going to make your Valentine's? What do you think Daddy's going to give you?
Kisses.
You're going to give you kisses? What kind of kisses?
Valentine's Day.
What kind of kisses?
Chocolate.
Chocolate kisses?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's exciting. Fun.
Pony. Dog.
Dog. Which word is dog? Yeah.